Hello everyone, welcome to Institute Paromitachemistrygenius. Today we are going to discuss how the trick to find out hybridization in organic molecules, whether the molecule is sp, sp2 or sp3, and we are going to do this using various examples. So let's get started. How to find hybridization is the formula is number of sigma bond plus number of lone pair of electrons. In case when you consider only oxygen only carbon atom, when you consider only carbon atom, okay, there is always only sigma bonds. Okay, there is no lone pair of electrons because carbon does not form any lone pair of electrons. Now what happens is, how to check if there is two sigma bonds, okay, then we say it is sp. If it is 3 sigma bond, then we is say sp2, and when it is 4 sigma bonds, then we say it is sp3. Here one of s, one of p, one of s, two of p, one of s, three of p. So total, you can say total bonds will be 4. Now total bonds are 4 for all, because we know that carbon has valency 4 and it will always complete its valency 4. Now see, using this formula, we will find the hybridization of all the carbon atoms or any atoms in any molecules. Now see, here it is how many? 4 sigma. So this carbon, it is here sp3. This one also 4 sigma bonds, so sp3. Here see, it is 1 sigma and 1 pi. Okay, so there is 1 2 3 3 sigma bonds, so it is sp2. This is also 2 sigma, I mean 3 sigma bonds, so it is sp2. So total number of bonds is now here also 3. Now check here, this carbon atom, see, it is 1 1 2 3 3 sigma bonds, so sp again 2. This one also sp2, this also sp2, this one also sp2. Whereas see, check this one, this has 4 hydrogen bonds. Okay, I mean sorry, it has 2 hydrogen bond and 2 covalent bonds. So we can say 1 2 3 4, we count it to be 4 bonds, sigma bonds. So here it is, you can say sp3. All the atoms are here sp. Now if we go and check what is the hybridization of this molecules, that is called ethane molecule, that is where there is 3 bonds. Now see, here it is 1 2, that means 2 sigma bonds are there, other 2 are pi bonds. So 2 sigma bonds, hence is this sp. Okay, sp, remember 1 2 sigma 2 pi, okay, it is sp. 3 sigma 1 pi sp2, and if it is 4 sigma bonds and no pi, then it is sp3. Now what we will do, we will check for this ammonia molecule. See, now here it is 1 2 3, number of sigma bonds is 3, whereas number of lone pair is 2. I mean lone pair is 1 lone pair is there, so that means total number of bonds is 4. If it is 4, then again if it is 4, then we will go for sp3. Okay, total number of bonds. And now here also see, this one, it is water molecule. Now here we have 2 sigma bond and 2 lone pairs. The total number of bonds again coming to, total number of bonds again comes to 4. Again this oxygen molecule, here it is sp3 hybridized. Okay, sp3 hybridized, the size is actually linear, or you can say bent size, and here the sizes of ammonia is tetrahedral. Why? Because of the angular form that I'll be teaching you next. Now comes to water hydronium ion. Now if you check this hydronium ion, 1 2 3, okay, still it has 4. It has 4 number of electrons is, another 1 lone pair is there, so 1 2 3 4, total is 4. Again it is sp3. The last molecule here we have is this one. Now see, here it is 4 sigma bonds, so it is your, this carbon is your sp3, and here, now here this carbon atom, see here, this 1 and 2 sigma bonds, whereas other 2 are pi bonds, 2 sigma 2 pi, hence it is again sp. Those 2 sigma bond, no lone pair, 2 sigma means sp. Now here for nitrogen, how we will find is that it has, see, 1 sigma, okay, 2 pi bonds, Okay, 2 pi bonds is 1 sigma, and you have one lone pair. So I mean total nitrogen valency is 5. Among that it has 3 already bonded and 1 lone pair, so 1 and 2, so the total bond is 2. Hence this is also sp hybridized. It is sp hybridized, hence this structure will be linear. The structure will be linear. Now we will talk about bond length. Now see, in this example, in this case, when there is 3 triple bond between carbon atom, okay, here we say it is sp hybridized. When it is 2 bond to double bond, then we say sp2 hybridized. When it is single bond between carbon and carbon atom, that is once sigma 2 sigma, there will be some hydrogen will be there in the pi side, so that time we say it is sp3 hybridized. So here the S character is 50%, P character is 50%. In this molecule, now here it is S 33% S character and 63% of P character. Here we say it is 30, you can say this S character is 25% and P character is 75%. So more is the S character, more is the acidity, hence shorter will be the bond length. Shorter will be the bond length. See, in sp3 hybridization state, the bond angle is found to be 109 degrees Celsius, 28 degrees, 109 degree 28 seconds. Here it is sp2. So the shape which comes to be, when it is 109 degrees, the shape is tetrahedral. This you have to remember. If it is sp2, okay, that means tetrahedral shape is in this shape. See, this is the sp3, so it is this shape is called your tetrahedral. Okay, now sp2, how we will show, it is like this. Okay, so what is this one? This, is it not looking like a trigonal? So it is a trigonal planar. Now what happens in a linear, that is sp, so it's 180 degrees, so we call it to be linear shape. So this you have to remember. This is done in this video. We will be going for organic, you can say orbital representation of molecules, of different type of molecules. I'll show different type of examples with that in the other video. So, and moreover, if you want this videos in Hindi, please leave a comment below, so that I understand that I have to also explain in Hindi in middle. And thank you so much. And also please, if you have any doubt in solving any of the organic problems on hybridization, do leave it in a comment. I will explain it in the next, and I will take some other examples of competitive examples, okay, on the other video. All the best.